Welcome to my channel. Here we have 2 plus 3 parenthesis 6 divided by 2 times 3, then we have minus 4. We first of all work with our parenthesis, which is 6 divided by 2 times 3. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. Then we have 3 times 3. Then we'll bring down our 2 plus 3, then minus 4 here. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then we have 2 plus 3 times 9 minus 4. 2 plus 3 will give us 5. Then we have 5 times 9 minus 4. 5 times 9 will give us 45. Then 45 minus 4 will give us 41. And what if I say this answer is incorrect because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from our left to our right in order to have a very good answer. Let's dive into the right answer to this expression. So we start with our parenthesis, which is 6 divided by 2 times 3. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. And 3 times 3 will bring down our 2 plus 3, then minus 4. Then 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then 2 plus 3 times 9 minus 4. Remember, in mathematics, if a number is close to a parenthesis, know that there's a multiplication sign in between. Now, we have an addition, multiplication, and subtraction. We solve our multiplication first because it comes first. So, 3 times 9 will give us 27. And we have 2 plus 27 minus 4. Then we solve it from our left to our right because addition and subtraction have equal priorities. So 2 plus 27 will give us 29 minus 4. So 29 minus 4 will give us 25. So 25 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.